Since my team started using Revit Cloud work sharing, it's been making a huge difference in the way we work. But what exactly is it? Work sharing is something that's native to Revit, and it means that different people can all work on a Revit model at the same time without conflicts. Now, with Revit Cloud work sharing, which is available with BIM 360 Design, teams like architecture, structure, and MEP can all collaborate on Revit models in the cloud. We can even manage non-Revit data so that everyone has what they need. That means we spend less time coordinating and resolving issues, and more time impressing our clients with great designs. Revit Cloud work sharing is making my team's collaboration easy and our Revit investment even more valuable. No matter your project delivery method or project size, work with anyone, anytime, anywhere in and around Revit.
Try BIM 360 Design today.